Let's make fire. Let's make fire. Alexa's homing. Alexa's homing. How are you, my dear?
Very good. Very good. Very toasty. No, you're supposed to catch it and cook it. Oh. Here.
I want this one. Hey, it's all burnt.
I'm gonna cook mine.
Oh my god. Skill. Skill.
Wait, are you supposed to do that?
Skill. Raw talent. Yeah. We make ultra sexy marshmallows.
Whoa, look at this.
Yeah.
Watch this. Danielle.
You're a freak. Sizzle, 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 sizzle.
I don't like it when you call me a freak. It makes me feel bad about my self-esteem.
He's on fire. Go, 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 go.
Cook with care.
Is that your motto, Alexi?
Yeah.
Alexi. It's like Alexis
That's
and
my
Alexi.
motto for life.
Cook with care.
Yeah.
You know what mine is?
What?
Don't get caught.
Oh, that's a better one.
Wanna feed me this, Becky? Ew.
Suck it yourself.
Whatever.
Ow, I burnt my tongue.
You know what? This is the end. This is the end.
Well, we can sit around the campfire and sing songs. Later.
Kumbaya.
Yeah, we have to wait
my
for it to get dark.
Lord. Kumbaya.